Alright, he killed me though while I was taking my little break. Yeah, I'll just set on to my next thingy. Crobat. I'll use Earth Slash. Yeah, and that killed me, I think. Well, it killed me. That's for sure. I don't know. Well, you fly. Keep on moving the webcam. That's all. Well, we defeated leader Sabrina. And we have our Marsh badge. Marsh. And she gives us Psychic, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know this one. I know where you get Psychic. Easy. Well, you get Psychic somewhere around here. Let's see, somewhere around here. I think it's that big roof one. Let me go inside there. I think he gives you Psychic or something. Then it's not. Because I remember somebody in this town gives you Psychic. Who was it? I don't even know. Oh, I think it's that one. Let me read the sign. Oh, yeah. Well, you get Psychic right here. Well, we need to kill that though. Alright. Just keep on going with an adventure. And we're gonna get our, their badge already. Let me see. Well, we have him and him's badge and just all those. So we already have like, we already have 10 badges already. And we just keep on going. And since I filled up the most of the thingy, because I was looking where to get what's it called? The biggest mall thingy. Yeah. Then next we're gonna go to Fuchsia City, something like that. Fuchsia. Oh. I like the music. Oh, you go inside here, like in the old game. And she's Maylene. You remember her from Pokemon Diamond, Pearl, and Platinum? She's Maylene. And you also see that water guy too, the fat guy water thingy. Yeah, you also see him somewhere. Oh, you see him in the mall. Yeah, in the mall. I'm not gonna go to the mall. I already went there. Well, guess you need cut again. So this name is grass. Yeah, grass Pokemon. So of course, so Lugia is gonna cut out because grass will obviously kill him. No, Gyarados, red Gyarados, yeah, red Gyarados. See, and I'll just move in, and I'll just switch him for Bellsprout, and there we go. There we go. And we go back to just go over here. See the oh yeah, if you use headbutt, just wild Pokemon will come out of the tree like a hoot, something like that. And this guy, it's funny because last game, the old game, they said, ha ha ha, this gym is great, it's full of strong trainers. Well, in the last game, he said, remember he said, fire red and leaf green and all that, he said that, oh yeah, that there was beautiful girls in this gym, like, yeah. I like beautiful girls. Yes, that's interesting. Well, I don't even get this gym because it's way different. Well, we're just gonna battle. Oh yeah. Oh, this flamethrower obviously just kills them. Level 58. Oh yeah. Look at all moving like past 100 already. Hip hop. Hip. I call him IHOP. Yeah, he's IHOP. Cause he's gonna get burned and they make him to pancakes. Ha. Alright, yeah, we just explored again. Last Pokemon is the Jumpluff. That's the third evolution of IHOP. And then he dies. Poor, he'll be rest in peace. Alright guys, I need to stop this video.